My name is Craig. I served 4 years in the Royal Artillery. I left in 2000 and within 6 months I was a heroin addict. During 18 years of addiction, I tried numerous treatment centres. In December 2017, I graduated from the programme here after completing my treatment. I am now over 2 years clean and working full-time as support lead at Tom Harrison House supporting other veterans. 1 year ago, Novus selected Tom Harrison House here in Liverpool as part of their Big Five project, transforming our neglected backyard into what we have now. The outpost has provided us a space to deliver therapies, host events alongside giving graduates an area for personal space, all enhancing their recovery. The work done by Novus has had a significant and positive impact on the project.